honoring and celebrating our unsung heroes on MNANGAGWA Day, ED at 83. By staff reporter, the 16th of September 2025. Spread the love. One of the key highlights of MNANGAGWA Day commemorations this year was the recognition of ZANU PF provincial chairpersons, who were honored for their hard work in keeping the Revolutionary Party united and organized from the grassroots level. Speaking during the event, organizers described ZANU PF as a revolutionary party built on unity, discipline, and empowerment, with a strong structure that stretches from the presidium down to the cell level. They said the party's robust organization stands in sharp contrast to the fractured and poorly coordinated opposition. In appreciation of their efforts, all 10 provincial chairpersons received brand new 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser 300 Series VXR vehicles, each valued at $190,000, courtesy of businessman Farai of Faramatsi Motors. The vehicles were fully paid for and are now ready for collection. In addition, each chairperson will also receive $100,000 in cash to support small development and empowerment initiatives in their respective provinces. As part of the commemorations of President Emerson Dambudza Mnangagwa's 83rd birthday, the donor further pledged 10 state-of-the-art Toyota Land Cruiser ICU ambulances, each worth $90,000, to be handed over to government general hospitals in the country's provincial capitals. The contributions were described as a small token of appreciation for the work being done at grassroots level and for the ongoing hospital renovations by government. Organizers said more recognition would follow in future as resources allow. #Pambari_ni_ZANU_PF, #Fambili_Lokubumbana, #Revolutionary_Party, #ED_HUTYA, #2030_Ndaya_Emerson.